What does rest really mean? Let me ask you something. When you hear the word rest, what comes to mind? Is it sleep? Or is it something more? Most of us think of rest as simply sleeping. And yes, sleep is important. It helps our bodies recover. But have you ever sleep for hours and still feel tired? That's because rest is not just physical. It's also mental and emotional. For me, rest is not just about lying down or closing your eyes. It's also about being able to do the things you genuinely enjoy. Because sometimes, if you only sleep, you don't really feel fulfilled. Parang nagpahinga ka nga, pero hindi mo naman na-enjoy. Think about this. Have you ever felt stressed but instead of sleeping, you listen to music, watch something you love, or spend time with friends? And after that, you feel lighter. That's rest too. So maybe rest can look different for everyone. For some, it's sleep. For others, it's quiet time. And for many, it's doing something they love. Kaya nga yung magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo ay sapat ng pahinga. Because rest is not just about stopping. It's about recovering in a way that feels good. But here's something important. Rest is not just about one thing. There are times your body needs sleep. And there are times your mind needs a break. Or your heart needs something enjoyable. So it's not about choosing one or the other. It's about balance. So next time you feel tired, don't just ask, do I need sleep? Ask yourself, what kind of rest do I need right now? Because sometimes, rest is not just about doing nothing. It's about doing something that helps you feel like yourself again. Thanks for listening. Take your rest, your way. Goodbye.